Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm here to talk about firewall. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is a firewall here. A firewall is a security device that filters unwanted traffic. It inspects incoming traffic from outside network, okay, which is inbound, and also inspect outgoing traffic from internal LAN to outside network. Okay, it filters unwanted traffic. Okay, malicious traffic that is considered security threat to this, private LAN here that is considered a trusted network. Okay, so firewall would not allow any form of threat to flow into this LAN. Okay, so look at it here, how it works. Interfaces, about three interfaces here. Okay, this interface that's linked to the internet is considered outside zone. Okay, and the security level is security level is 0. Okay, so and this interface here is considered inside zone. Okay, and security level here is 100. So by default, this firewall would allow any outgoing traffic from the trusted network to outside network. Okay? For instance, let's say a user wants to access a particular server on the internet or download a file from the internet. By default, with this level, firewall would allow this traffic to flow to outside network and also return, okay, without any blockage, okay, because this network here is considered trusted network. It's a private LAN, okay. So now the outside zone is considered untrusted, okay. Anything can happen here. Remember, this is a public network, which is the internet. Security level there is 0. So by default, firewall would block every incoming traffic because firewall would consider every incoming traffic from the outside network to the internal trusted LAN. Firewall will consider those traffic a threat and would never allow anyone to flow into this internal LAN. Okay, so when you look at this interface here, we have servers here. One server could be placed, or any server of your choice that you want the public or the outside users to access. You would place it here, and this interface here, this zone here is considered delimitarized zone. So they can only access any server here. Okay, outside users, people from the internet can access these servers and would not go beyond this delimitarized zone. The firewall would not allow traffic from the outside network to flow beyond the delimitarized zone. Okay, so limited access, you know, is being given to outside network to access. Okay, let's say firewall would, you know, as by default allowed HTTP traffic or HTTPS traffic to come to delimitarized zone here, okay, and also can never go beyond this. Okay? So now, but traffic from here, the users from the internal LAN can also access the delimitarized zone. Okay? They can access it. Traffic cannot flow from here to internal LAN, but traffic can flow from internal LAN to this delimitarized zone. Okay, so access is being given to public, to this level. And this level, security level, is considered 50, in between. Okay, in between. So this is the highest security level. And this is limited one, and this is 0. And in firewall device also has VPN features. There are so many security policies that can be made using this firewall device. Okay? So those that are into network security knows what I'm trying to say. Okay? So, but that by default, all incoming traffic would be denied. Incoming traffic from the public network to private LAN, and this private LAN is considered secured LAN, trusted LAN. Okay, so inbound traffic would never be allowed by this device, but outgoing traffic will be allowed, because this traffic, a user requested for a particular page from the internet. Okay, so that traffic will return, and firewall would know that this traffic was initiated from the trusted network, so would allow it to come back. Okay, so this is how it works. Delimitarized zone, people from the internet would stop here. So all form of traffic, okay, malicious traffic or threat would just stop here and would never pass to trusted network. Okay, this is a brief explanation of firewall. Okay, for those of you that are new to networking. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate to share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.